Hi there, this is Sandeep. Welcome to Clotrix. Actually, Google Now on Tap came into market and completed nearly 1 year, but still we don't know. It have lot of features and potentials. Actually, it is introduced in Marshmallow. For know that, just tap on home screen button. It shows all relevant suggestions based on home screen. So, without delay, let's get started. Next one is quick launch. Tapping to home screen, it shows lot of features like reminder, timer, alarm, and many of maps. If you want to go to restaurants, malls, multiplexes, parkings, groceries, restaurants, post office, just tapping on the shortcuts, it automatically redirect to the maps, and maps they will do their own work by tapping our features. So I'm tapping for gas station, it automatically redirects to the maps and it shows all gas stations near to me. As you can see, there are a lot of gas stations near to me. For this you need a location permissions, so I can zoom it for your visibility. So these are the gas stations which are near to me, so it's very shortcut to get this kind of restaurants. Next one is definitions. Are you a blog reader or a website reader? Don't need to worry about the definitions. When you are reading some of the contents, it may be some of the hard difficulty words, but don't worry. By tapping on the hard words, it automatically redirects to the relevant meanings. For example, I want to select some meaning which I don't know, so the Google will automatically redirects to the original meaning. For example, I'm selecting the meaning and tapping home screen, it directly give the meanings and relevant images too. So it's very useful for the blog readers and website readers. Next one is OCR reader. OCR, it is nothing but a copying the image text to text document. Even the cam scanner do the same. For the cam scanner you need around 135 rupees to do that. For this you have a free option. Just tap on home screen and tap on button, so it automatically asks for the selection part. Just select the part in the picture where do you want to select the text. Just after selecting, just you can copy the text or share in WhatsApp, social websites, and even Google Cards. Next one is track over song. Are a good music lovers, just when you are listening song, you want to know the artist name and composer, so just tap on home screen for 2 seconds and it automatically shows the composer and artist and the meaning of the song and lyrics and albums and the total relevant subject to the music which you are listening. So it's very simple thing. Copy any text. I have a lot of trouble in copying some text from Flipkart and other e-commerce website in Android apps. But rather than that, you can copy in websites. But in the Android app, you can't copy. You have no permissions to copy. But we have some latest feature, that is Google Now on Tap. Just tap on home screen for 2 seconds. It automatically have the permissions to select some text in anywhere of the screen background. So I'm selecting some text, so you can see that it have a permission to select any text from the screen. So I'm selecting the text, so from this text I can copy and paste it in anywhere and even Google Cards. For example, taking another way, the internet banking or mobile banking. In mobile banking also you have no permissions to copy the text in screen, so just same as copy the screen home screen for few seconds, you can have a permissions. Yeah, you can see that I have copied the text in my mobile banking and I can copy, share, and even in search in Google Cards. Now I'm copying the text and I can paste in Google Chrome or any other websites. So I have pasted. Next one is product information. I have a old keyboard, so I want to know the product details of this keyboard. So I'm just opening my camera and not even clicking the picture, just tapping on home screen, so it asks for the selection part. So I'm clicking to the selection part, so it automatically takes the selection part and shows the all informations regarding and related videos and suggestions to the product, and even social medias, YouTube's. Next one is related subject. In this I have chatted with my friends in WhatsApp, Hike, and another messengers. I have sent many links to my friends regarding games, apps, and many more stuffs. And I have asked my friend to meet some specific time, but I'm not good at remembering. So what should I do? Just tapping on home screen button, it automatically asks for the relevant questions like create a calendar event. So I have mentioned before, I have sent my friend about meet me at some specific time, so it automatically asks for creating a calendar, and even some amazing Spider-Man game to link. So it just read our messages and give some hint, so by that you can create some reminders. So it automatically going for reminder list and asking for the permission to accept the reminder. The next one is translator. I am very much interested in this tip because I am a good traveler, but every time where I go I have a language barrier. From now onwards I don't have that kind of thing because I have my smartphone. So when you have a language barrier, you don't know the text where you went, just tap on the camera and open your camera in your smartphone. Just no need to capture, just tap the home screen button for 2 seconds. It automatically asks for the tap on button, tap the selection text which you don't know. So now you can see that the text meaning is known as knowledge, and the word came from the Spanish. So if you want, you can copy the text also. From this time onwards you don't need to download any kind of translation box or any apps. Pretty good, right? Yes, I too agree with the language translator. No need to download. Next one, image search. I have many pics in my gallery, but I don't know the photo where I have got it from and who is in the photo. So just tap on the home screen button for few seconds. From that you may know the details of the entire photo. So you can see that I have given the Bill Gates photos, so it's showing the Bill Gates photos as it perfect. So and it shows the all informations, related news, and even some social websites belong to the Bill Gates. And the mainly behind to the Bill Gates I have saw some slider notebook. It also showing the same relevant subject. So pretty good, I think so. Maybe you too. Hope you guys enjoy with this video. If you like this, please give me a like and share with your friends, and please don't forget to give me subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll more on creating a more stuff like this, so please subscribe, and thanks for watching my video.